In this video, we're going to create a speed dial button on your iPhone's home screen so that your regular contacts are just a tap away. If you're regularly calling the same people, you can create a speed dial button to call them directly from your home screen of your iPhone. Let us proceed with the process. Open the Shortcuts app and press the plus icon in the top right corner. Now tap on Add Action. Then, select one of the suggested contacts from the Call row. Next, tap on the Share button at the bottom and select Add to Home Screen from the Actions menu. Give your shortcut a name and tap the icon to choose a photo of your contact if you have one. Then tap Add to place it on your home screen. You can change the type of icon or image you wish to use and also can rename the shortcut. That's it! Now all you have to do is just tap on the speed dial that you just created, and it will immediately connect to the person. Now that you've mastered the contact placement on iPhone's home screen, why not take it up a notch? Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and check out one of these videos curated just for you.